Hey friends, this is just a quick update and a request. We would love your feedback on the migration process, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about where things stand. You have always shaped the direction of Curate, and this season is no different. Here's the reality. Some of the tools our classic system has relied on for literally years have started shutting down. I'm getting an email, I kid you not, daily, saying this feature is going to stop working in a month that our tool supports. And of course, it's happening literally right in the middle of many people's busy season. It is not ideal timing, but here we are, tired, caffeinated, and leaning on your thoughts to move us forward. Classic took us about 7 years to build, and we've had to rebuild the new interface in a little over two. So most of you have already migrated over to the new platform, and we're already seeing some exciting wins from customers. They're saying things like they love the multiple contracts on an event, signatures that don't disappear when you create a new version, amazing, a color picker tool, prints that allow you to filter and adjust the kind of information that you want and actually care about. One of my favorite parts of this process has been reconnecting with so many of you. I have literally talked to hundreds of incredible event pros over the past few months, and your feedback, it's been really candid, and I love that. Just today, I heard from 2 amazing event designers who said they were nervous to migrate, but they migrated this week, and once they got into the new system, they really liked the layout, the workflow, and they shared suggestions on how they can make it better. Others, and especially power users of Curate Classic, have pointing out specific details that we can improve on, and that's exactly the kind of insight that makes us stronger. In these conversations that I've had with so many of you, realized we needed a way to hear from everyone. Because at the end of the day, and this isn't just about migrating software, it's about partnering with you to build the best possible platform. Now, before I share what we're asking you to do next, here are a few ways that your feedback has already helped shape Curate. First, feature releases. From April to July alone, we have released over 100 different customer ideas. Some of these were new features, some were improvement to existing tools, and some were just classic favorites that we rethought because you asked us to. Everyone uses Curate just a little bit differently, so every suggestion really matters. Another big change. A few months ago, our developers would rotate every week to tackle who was handling issues that came up in the software. Based on your feedback, we now have 2 team members whose main focus is helping migrated customers, working through and smoothing out any kerfunkles that occur or pop up. And we have had some customers mention an issue where, let's just say, clicking on a photo in the portal view would scroll. And as they said in 2005, they see me scrolling, they hate me. It was not a good experience. But in the process of talking with people about that kerfunkle, we found out a new way that people were using the new interface that wasn't available in the classic interface, and it brought up a lot of ideas about how we can make that workflow easier. So we didn't just fix the problem, we did fix it, the release is out, but it's something where we have some ideas based on your feedback on making your life simpler in that workflow. There's also a question around updates and the timing out of our updates. With so many new features that are going out, you told us that multiple updates each week made working in the software tricky at times. As one company said it, we see something acting wonky and then magically a new button that we've always really wanted will suddenly appear. And it's totally fair. So now we make the majority of our pushes on Tuesday mornings from 5 a.m. Pacific or 8 a.m. Eastern. We like to share that with you so you know when to expect changes. You can still use the software during this time, but a page might require a refresh or something like that. About 75% or more of all updates should happen during that time period, with only low risk or mission critical exceptions outside of that window. Now here's where you come in. We would love your help prioritizing what we should work on next. In the link below, you're going to find our product portal where you can give feedback. If you're seeing this video, we're extending a special invitation to you to upvote the items that you think should be our highest priority this next month. Now, if there's a feature you loved in Classic, please upvote it. Or even just something that annoys you that's not listed, please tell us in this portal. And don't stop there. Get your coworkers to vote on items as well. Every click, every comment helps shape what we build. Your feedback truly is what makes this platform better every single week. So thanks for being on this journey with us. I can't wait to see what we create together.